welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing few amazing useful information regarding deemed dental colleges. Yes, so the information which I'll be sharing are very basic and minimal regarding each college, so that you can get an idea that whether this college suits you or not, whether you want to take admission or you should take admission into this particular college or not. So let me share with you first that why I'm making this video. So as soon as I got over with my NEET examination, okay, which was for MDS, okay, NEET PG I'm talking about. So after that I started searching for colleges, and it was really a frustrating job to visit each and every college website to find out information, to write it down at one place, and to call different colleges every day and to ask for the details of stipend for this other thing. There are lot many things which you should keep in mind before choosing your college, okay, because you will be defined by your college. This is the thing which stays with you forever. Like when you will be in your professional field, or whenever you meet other dentists, or whenever you are in any conference or anywhere for an interview, the first question which you are gonna face is from which college you have done BDS, from which college you have done your masters, right? So you will be defined by this tag. So it is very crucial and important to choose the correct college. Before we dive into this video, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it, because Dento Woman is all about dentistry and dentist, and I create videos which are most beneficial to you all. So now you have got all the reasons to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information useful. There is a small disclaimer before we begin this video. Whatever information I am sharing in this video is I have collected from my co-PGs or from my colleagues, okay, who have done their UG from this particular colleges, and from them I have asked that which department is good in their college, how are the faculties in particular department, regarding fees, stipend and management, whatever details I was able to collect from them, that I have stated in it. This might be true from that person's perspective from whom I have asked, but the reality might be slightly different. And to know the recent fees for PG and UG, kindly visit the particular college's website for double confirmation. Manipal College of Dental Sciences, average OPD is 100 to 150 patients, old and new considering both, okay, and fees for UG is 6 lakh per year. Stipend for UG is 20k per month. For PG it is 17.5 lakh per year, and stipend for PG is, in the first year they get 35,000, second year 40,000, and in the third year 45,000. OMDR, Pedo, Prostho, PhD and Endo are the good department in this college. Faculties are research oriented, advanced materials and technologies, CBCT and advanced laser and implant technologies are there in this college. Yenepoya Dental College, Yenepoya, average OPD is 130 per day and fees for UG is 4 lakh per year. Stipend for UG in internship is 3.25k per month. Fees for UG is 8 to 9 lakh per year. As I have mentioned earlier also, kindly double check the fees, okay, on the website of particular college. Stipend for PG is, in the first year they get 8,000 per month, then 9,000 in second year and 10,000 in third year. Ortho department is very good in this college because of the good patient flow and experienced staff, and in Prosto they have CAD CAM and very well equipped laboratories. So here 80% of the crowd among the students are Malayalam and 20% are Kannada, and these are the respective dominating languages in the campus as well. KLE Belgavi is having average OPD of 150 patients and fees for UGs are 3 lakh per year. Also guys, there is a certain amount of increment in fees every year, okay, so I'm stressing on it that please verify the fees amount on the particular college website. Stipend for UGs in internship is 1500 per month. For PGs, for clinical department, fees are 10 lakh per year, and for non-clinical there are very less amount of fees. Stipend for PGs are 3500 per month. Here oral surgery and ortho department are very good because hospital is attached with the dental college, so oral surgery postgraduates can get a very good practice, and there is a very good patient flow, and staff is excellent as well. Bharati Vidyapeeth Pune, average OPD is 200. Fees for UG is 3.5 lakh per year. Stipend for UG is none. For PGs, there is 13 lakh per year, and for non-clinical branches, it is less, somewhere around 4 to 6 lakh, somewhere between that. Stipend for PG in the first year, it is 37,000 per month. In the second year, it is 40,000 per month, and in the third year, it is 43,000 per month. Here, pedo, prosto and ortho are the very good department. Campus is excellent, OPD is very good, and staff are excellent as well. Sri Ramachandra University, Chennai, average OPD is very good. It is 150 to 200, and fees for UG is 6.5 lakh per year. Fees for PG is 10.5 lakh per year. For non-clinical branches, it is 4 lakh per year. Here oral surgery is very good because there is a hospital attached with the dental college, and ortho department is excellent because of the patient flow. And here in pedo they have Dr. MS Muthu. He is the best pedodontist in the world. Talking about Mahatma Gandhi University Dental College and Hospital, Jaipur, average OPD is 100 to 150. Fees for UG is 3 lakh. Fees for PG are 6.5 to 7 lakh per year, and here pedo department is very good because head of the department is Dr. Nikhil Marwa, and ortho and conservative and endodontics are the other good department as well. Guys, any colleges in Rajasthan, they do not provide stipend in UG or PG. Kindly note this, and this is best of my information. Kalinga Institute of Dental Sciences, Bhubaneswar, average OPD is 150. Fees for UG is 3 lakh per year. Stipend for UG is 15k per month. For PGs, fees are 14 lakh per year of clinical branches, and stipend for PG is 50,000 per month. Here, pedo, conservative and endodontics and oral surgery are the good departments. One very good thing about this college is books and instruments are provided totally from the college to UG students, and they have a very student-friendly campus, and hostel facilities are also very good. KIM DSU Karad, average OPD is 100 to 150. Fees for UG is 4.5 lakh per year. For PG, it is 11.5 lakh per year. And Perio is having 8 lakh per year. Generally, in all the colleges, fees for Perio would be somewhere lesser than the other clinical branches. Here, prosto, conservative and endodontics and oral surgery are the good department, and their campus is student-friendly and very beautiful. Sharad Pawar Dental College, Wardha, average OPD is 200. Fees for UG is 3 lakh per year. Stipend for UG is 1.5k per month. For PG, fees are 6.5 to 7 lakh per year, and stipend for PG is 5,000 per month. Here, ortho, conservative and endodontics and oral surgery are the good department in this college. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.